Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So yesterday I couldn't find my headphones, so there was like no audio, I'm pretty sure. But today I'm be committing chicken genocide because the farm, the so-called farm is overrun. I just came back from the Nether fortress. I went to the Nether for a little bit. I haven't found any diamonds since that previous video. Oh well, there's a lot of chickens. But I don't know why my audio isn't working. No hagas eso. My audio has not been working ever since I go to the Nether. Every time I go to the Nether, it doesn't work. There's a lot of chickens. All y'all getting murdered. Chicken genocide. Chicken genocide gang. 16. There is a lot of eggs. And a lot of chickens. Crits. Check out these crits, guys. Crits. 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 Yeah, so I've been eating rotten flesh for like the past, I don't know how long. But, yeah, I just basically eat rotten flesh now. So I'll get you guys a better video. Okay. So I'll get you guys a better video once I find my headphones. It's just right now I can't find a mic and I still gotta upload. That is 3 swords. These guys are still not dead. How many chickens is there in here? Wow, there's a lot of chickens. These guys just don't die. And I thought I was gonna have to make a chicken farm to feed myself. Nope, I was wrong. There's enough chickens here to feed a whole planet. There's a lot in this corner. Okay. This seems reasonable. After committing chicken genocide, I have over a stack of chicken, as well as over a stack of feathers, which is very cool. I organized my stuff, as you can see here, guys. I lost all my diamonds because I'm pretty stupid, but if you guys saw in the chest earlier, I got a saddle, which means we could ride our horse. Okay. Go up there and ride our horse. Now that we got the horses in the back. Alright. Alright, apparently our horse is dead. That's always cool. So, oh yeah, I also committed pig genocide earlier. It's just death day today. There's no more sheep. They all got brutally murdered. Only the most brutal murder, of course. So it looks like Black Mamba isn't here anymore. That's tough. Can we ride llamas? Just a question. Can we ride llamas? So yeah. Also, I don't wanna. This is absolute. No, I'm not gonna break it. Wait, I still need it. I can't record in there in the Nether because then my thing crashes and my audio just snaps. So, was there not a villager zombie right here? I need a villager zombie. There's okay. So this guy's stupid, so he's probably gonna burn. But I need this guy. Because all the villagers I know I brutally murdered, so yeah, that's a problem. Okay. Hey, buddy. I'm your friend. I am your friend, remember? We went to the same school. professional builder. Okay. Well, he died. Hey, but food for me. Right. Apparently I'm a carnivore now. It's my lifestyle. It's the only way to save the animals. Even though I just brutally murdered all of them in my area. There's hot chicken singles in your area. Let's do it. We're just gonna fill this puppy up. Some of that. Yeah, I murdered your whole species. There's 5 left. So there was over 100 chickens in there, right? No. Yeah. Or I'm just. So these guys are all loaded to the brim, which is good. We'll take this down right here. We'll make a chicken farm. So, and it will produce cooked chicken. That way we don't have to continuously murder species of animals. So yeah, that's cool. Right here I have some glowstone I got. Unfortunately, I still haven't found any diamonds. That's not good. But I got a blaze rod, and in my video, comment section, I found out we need blaze powder. So I'm gonna try to glitch this, but if I glitch this and I fail, I'm gonna cry. So I'm gonna put blaze powder. No, wait. Give me some cobblestone. We're only gonna get just like less than half. Now we'll be able to make a brewing stand. And then we're gonna go in here. Put this and click here. Click. Nothing. We lost stone, so that's not good, but click. It's not working, guys. It's really tough. Wow, this is. Oh, it was because it was still on. Ha. Alright, so just. Oh. Oops. So. This. Click here. Okay, wait. This is a lot harder than it looks, guys. Stop bullying me in the comments. Alright, so I couldn't pull that off. That's pretty tough. Yeah, that sucks. Okay, well, I think that'll do. So I'm just gonna get rid of these fences here. Take those. It was nice knowing Billy and Timmy and Bob and Rob and Jackie and wait, this is Billy, Bob, Rob, Jackie, and Gustavo. So that's the squad of chickens that I kidnapped in my house. Yeah, well, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys, because I gotta organize. Like, we got 1 diamond from the raid. I gotta make sure to keep this saddle safe. I gotta keep it super safe. Oh, I have boots. So I managed to get some chainmail armor stuff.
You can make it?
No,
Found it.
I found it from brutally murdering zombies. Over there's a bridge.
It's weak. It has to be weak.
Yeah, it's all broken up.
What the fuck happened to your phone?
Oh, I fell. Yeah, so I think
When
that's.
did it fall?
I don't want to talk about it.
What happened?
I don't want to talk about it. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And hopefully tomorrow's video won't be so laggy and garbage.